Welcome to 5 GK questions. In the last video, we learnt about animals. Today we are going to learn about birds. Which is the largest bird? Ostrich. Ostriches have 3 stomachs and they can grow 9 feet taller. Which is the smallest bird? Bee hummingbird. Bee hummingbirds can flap their wings 80 times per second and they can fly 20 hertz non-stop. The fastest bird. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons can fly 270 miles per hour and their vision is 8 times better than a human being. Which is the higher flying bird? Ripple's vulture. They build their nests on the mountain cliff. And one vulture nest is used by another vulture. Which is a national bird? Peacock. Usually we will call peacock for both male and female. But peacock is for male, peahen is for female and peachick is for baby. Both male and female are called peafowl. Friends, it is the time to revise the answers with pictures. First question, largest bird, ostrich. Second question, smallest bird, bee hummingbird. Third question, fastest bird, peregrine falcon. Higher flying bird, Ripple's vulture. National bird, peacock. Friends, do you want to learn daily 5 GK questions with me? Please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you.